Yesterday I received a ton of messages about what's going on with the cryptocurrencies. I picked up my phone, watched on TradingView, minus 20% on Ripple, on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, watched out the charts, and I just thought about, yes, I mean, we've been at a supply zone. What should I expect? Should I expect the price to go up at a supply zone? No. Hello traders, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. My name is Darius, and what we're going to do is we're going to have a look on the cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to explain you the recent correction. And yes, correctly, it is just a correction. Now I know a ton of you are super scared about drops like that. I mean, yes, it's huge. I mean, not telling you here that this is nothing. I mean, 18% on Bitcoin in just one day. It's nice. Ethereum corrected something similar, I guess, or even more. Yeah, 25%. XRP. XRP even over 30%. Now, guys, don't be scared about a correction. That's something super normal. We are at a very strong supply zone on basically most of these cryptocurrencies. So I'm not taking every single cryptocurrency over here on my watch list, but Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP are. And I'm going to start over with Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin is the most important cryptocurrency, and here is the situation kind of more than clearly. Now look at this. That's my weekly level of supply. Okay, price tapped into it. Of course, weekly areas are super strong levels. Price started a correction. The areas that you can see over here have been my last update for Bitcoin. I told you two options, like always, because you always have something about two options or even more. But yeah, correction from here to the level of demand before bullish continuation, or push into the supply zone and then a nice drop. And this is what the market actually did right now. So this one here is invalid, so we don't need this one here anymore. But what we can expect currently is that the price will probably drop even more. Now you got two options here on Bitcoin: push up and then push down right into this level. So I would like to see the price coming a little bit lower to test this level. It's also part of a weekly level of demand, yes. So if we would go here, it will be part of a big level of manipulation on the weekly perspective. So I would like to see price coming here. Of course, this one here is also possible, but I do not expect that one, to be honest. So definitely not. I would like to see right now price correcting a little bit up lower, and then we're going to see another huge correction. Also, this scenario doesn't need to come true, because the price could easily just push up higher. Okay, so you need to understand, especially right now here on the Bitcoin price chart, the price is about to break the ultimate high. Now, how can you break the ultimate high? You cannot just go through it. It's not possible. You need to have liquidity in the market, and the way on how you get liquidity is by faking out peoples, by hunting their stop losses. And what the market did over here was clearing out a ton of people out of Bitcoin. All the traders took a stop loss. All the people who've been leveraging Bitcoin took out, okay, not everybody, but a serious amount of investors who've been leveraging Bitcoin, because price just boom smashed to the downside. Even these people who've been securing their positions, boom, out of the market. So it's definitely super crazy. So it definitely targeted here the liquidity. So I'm going to show it to you right now from a lower time frame perspective. So look at this. Market had here liquidity, market had here liquidity, and the market had here liquidity. And it just, boom, smashing through them. So everybody who've been positioning themselves within this area, completely out of the market. Yeah, well, actually, to be honest, this is here just a quick update for Bitcoin. So I still see Bitcoin super bullish. So very soon will we see the price going up higher. Okay, so I'm going to make another extra video just for Bitcoin, just to explain it to you in a more detailed version. This video here is just a quick update just to tell you what the market could potentially do. So here again, a quick summary for you guys. Price could go from here like this, lower, or from here smashing it. Okay, just smashing here. I mean, it's weekly level of demand supply, so it will definitely take a little bit of time. We just need to see the weekly level closing. This weekly candle should close definitely bearish from my point of view, and therefore we have a higher chance that we're going to push a little bit lower, grab a little bit more some liquidity, and then push up higher. Okay, so clearing out literally everybody out of this market right now again. Let's continue with the XRP. Now the XRP situation is even more clear than on Bitcoin. We got structural point at the 0.33. I've already gave you this analysis multiple times. So from my point of view, at the point when we're going to pass 0.33, XRP will go for a very deep correction. Okay, so the correction could then go lower than, yeah, something about 0.11. Okay, is a potential correction then for XRP. So if XRP is just smashing right now from 1.40 to 0.9, why should I be concerned about that? I mean, of course, it's 30% of correction, but what would you like to tell me with that? Nothing, guys, nothing. It's not a problem. We've been in a supply zone. Of course, we need to see some reaction. So it's almost perfectly how the price reacted to it. But look at this. Price gave us here a move up into the supply zone, reacted to it, move up, reacted to it, move up here, and then this was the liquidity, right? Everybody knows that. Targeting this liquidity, boom, using that liquidity for a strong supply zone. So everybody who's trading here trend lines is out of the market. That's just the psychology behind it, why the market just created these kind of structural points. It was just here to collect a little bit more liquidity before diving a little bit into the depth of the supply zone, before afterwards the price was moving crazy to the downside. And the matter of fact, why they did it is just to collect again some more liquidity. They cannot just go up. Of course, whenever you see something like that, the majority will join the trend. The majority will join the trend. But not everybody can win within this market. So there is absolutely no way where we all together make money in cryptocurrency. This path doesn't exist. Whenever I'm making money with XRP, whenever my investing account is growing, somebody else's account growth is decreasing. Okay, get this thing in your head. Somebody's always losing whenever somebody's winning. Okay, this is what we have: rich people, poor people. Why are the poor people poor? Because the rich people get actually their money, but just with their system that they have. Okay, taxes. Okay, there are a lot of things. They are working for the rich people. Rich people just get a little bit more of a profit by buying or selling any kind of products. The same kind of thing you can apply to the XRP. Okay, hopefully you got that point, guys. So there's absolutely no way. It's very, very simple. It's supply and demand. Don't forget this point, supply and demand. So deeper corrections like this is absolutely necessary unless we're not breaking any kind of important one. And the next important level right now is definitely the 0.5. So here is my analysis right now. XRP could go down lower. Price could go maximum till 0.51 here. If we're passing this level, guys, then we're going to go for a deeper correction, probably. Then the next one will be this one. If we're going to break this one, we could have a chance that the price will dive into this level of demand here. Okay, that the price will dive into this level of demand to collect even more liquidity to push it up higher. But if the price will not just spike immediately from this level to the upside, we will go to a very high chance to a very deep correction. Now, guys, just for these ones who are super concerned about XRP currently, how does this chart look for you guys? Bullish or bearish? Now, the majority will tell you till this point here, yeah, it's bullish. It's so damn bullish. At this point, they will tell you, oh damn, it's bearish, we broke structure. Guys, what structure? Oops, that's level of demand. So price just used the level of demand. Just using this level of demand to collect liquidity and to buy cheap again. That's it. Of course, we have another one here. Of course, we have another one here. And of course, we have one important one here as well. So price could actually target right now 4 level of demand before we're going to move up higher. And the way how XRP is going to do this is something like this. But from my point of view, XRP will not go that much to the downside anymore. So very realistic for me will look like the price will respect this level or this one here. Okay, so from my point of view, only these 2 levels are important for us. The lower ones, probably not. So it would not make a lot of sense. Okay, this market, look at this, it's super bullish. Let me just check out a little bit the 4 hours. I cannot see anything important, to be honest. Yeah. So I do not think that we're going to pass this level here. Okay, so maximum correction from my point of view is like this. But technically we could go down like this. Also possible. I'm just sharing with you random possibilities because I'm not here who's doing these markets. So yeah, and afterwards strong push up. Perfectly. So that's actually the quick update for XRP. Let's continue with the Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum. Now, Ethereum really dived in perfectly till this high of 4,000 and then huge correction. So here you had even more confirmations. You had the key level confirmation, you had the supply zone confirmation, you had supply zone on the daily, you had supply zone on the weekly. So perfectly, actually really perfect setup. 4 hours supply zone as well. Guys, that was a clean one. So I've already shared with you here the analysis that the price should go up higher, it should test the supply zone, and that we should see some reaction from it. So price already, look at this, grab liquidity from here, grab liquidity from here, okay, grabbed it from here, price, boom, strong move up, and then you're concerned about this correction? Come on, who are you kidding, guys? Everything is good. We got this area here and we got this one. So of course also here technically we could go down till this red line that I mapped out over here, because just below this area we have a ton of liquidity. The price could just use this level of demand once again, and price potentially could correct like this. Okay, so I'm just sharing with you the options that we have. So I'm not telling you that this is going to be the thing which Ethereum did, but I'm going to show you something what the Ethereum price chart really did in the past, and it was actually this thing over here. So if we've been already up, we've dropped down, up again, and then we corrected once again in the level of demand, and it looks about like the price is doing something similar. This is the only thing which I'm currently concerned about, because price went up 5,000%. We did the same, and price in the past corrected down 72%. Previously, it corrected. How much did it correct? That would be something interesting right now. 52%, and we corrected from here. Yeah, 62. Okay, so it doesn't need to be something which they have in common currently, but the price delivery is the same. Okay, so we could see something like this right now. Okay, I do not think that it will come like that, but it's just a possibility that I just wanted to share with you guys. It's just a thought that I have currently. Now, very scary would be if the price will spike right now through that level, and then it will give us a correction like this, push up, then we will see definitely this one. Okay, So that could be a scenario. So I definitely see right now Ethereum going very soon, very high. I do not believe that this scenario will occur. More than likely, I believe price will respect this here, or it will go lower here and respect this one. Then correction, of course, and then push. Well, that's it. Then let's just have a look on Chainlink, because Chainlink is also, from my point of view, one of the most promising assets that I have on the cryptocurrencies. Perfectly, that's level of demand. Price didn't really correct it that much, if I'm right now. Okay, also here 30%, crazy. So you've already, so you can already see it right now in the video. I'm not really interested about calculating the corrections, blah blah blah, on the cryptocurrencies, because it doesn't make right now any kind of difference. If I'm telling you right now, okay, price could potentially go down like this, your task is just to stay in. Okay, if you've invested here in the cryptocurrencies, that's just my personal opinion. Okay, so it's not a financial advice over here, but I'm holding everything. Okay, I'm just making right now a plan what I'm going to do with my XRPs at the end of the year, but I just want to see if the price will really break right now the ultimate high of the $3. But I'm going to make a complete new guide for the XRP. I'm going to make a complete new video. It's already here. Okay, so I already have a very important video here. If you didn't check it out already, it will help you a lot to understand what I see in the XRP. And this is why, if you just understand that one previous video, you will understand what kind of targets I have on the XRP. Okay, because I have very high targets in the long term. Right now, still in the short term, we could see crazy price increases. The same is valid for Chainlink. So Chainlink has possibilities to go crazy up. Ethereum. So I'm super curious what the crypto assets is going to bring us, and I will make another extra video just to tell you why cryptocurrencies are so interesting right now for the majority of the investors. Okay, so we will speak a lot in the future, guys. This video here should just be a clean chart technical update for you, just to not be concerned. I'm just explaining you why the market corrected. So here at the end, just a quick summary. Whenever you see in the cryptocurrencies correction, it is because of the liquidity needs to be provided for higher prices. Now, if the price will just smash up higher, just boom, 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 pushing up higher, you can be super sure about that the price very soon will give you a quick correction, because there is an imbalance in price. Okay, so the price will not be realistic, because everything needs to be in the balance of supply and demand. Okay, now of course, if supply is higher or if demand is higher, price will go up or go down. But if the price will just smash up higher, it is something very unrealistic, and the price will go very soon for a deep correction. And right now, just from institutional standpoint, whenever the price is giving a correction, the big institutions can realize profit, they can mitigate losses, and they can buy cheap. This is why they're doing it. Okay, guys, so I would say thank you for your attention. Just a quick check here on my link tree. If you would like to buy some cryptocurrencies, definitely check out this crypto. You're supporting also the creation of more videos if you're buying it with this crypto broker. It's just my personal opinion. I use it. I'm super happy with it. Why should you not be happy as well with this broker? Just say. Okay, guys. Thank you for attention. See you then in the next video. Bye bye.